Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry starter. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, locate the starter motor, which is typically found on the passenger side of the engine block. Make sure you have all your tools ready, including a ratchet, extensions, and the correct size wrenches to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's get to the starter. You might need to remove some components like the air intake or certain brackets that are in the way. Once you have clear access, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. After that, you can proceed to unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine. Keep track of all hardware. With the old starter out, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new starter motor into its mounting location on the engine. Once aligned, hand tighten the mounting bolts to ensure proper seating, then use your wrench to fully secure them. Finally, reconnect the smaller solenoid wire and the main power cable to the starter, making sure all connections are snug and secure. You're almost done. Reinstall any components you removed earlier, such as the air intake system or any brackets, ensuring everything is back in its proper place. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's tight and secure. Now, you can test your new starter by attempting to start the vehicle. Don't forget to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.